The content in this video is provided for news reporting, public awareness, and educational purposes only under fair use. All footage is either public record, lawfully obtained, or used with permission. This channel does not intend to interfere with any active investigations or ongoing court cases. Viewers are reminded that all individuals are considered innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Any opinions expressed are commentary and do not represent official statements from law enforcement or other agencies. If you are a law enforcement agency, attorney, or affected party and believe this content violates privacy, copyright, or jeopardizes an open case, please contact us immediately for review and removal. Viewer discretion is advised. San Antonio police have released body cam video showing the arrest of one of their own officers suspected of driving while intoxicated while on duty. On July 31st, during roll call, fellow officers smelled alcohol on veteran officer Paul Fensick. They later found an open beer can in his patrol unit and a cooler full of beer inside.
What's his name?
Oh, yeah. This is Officer Allison with the DWI unit.
How you doing, Paul?
I guess they've got more stuff they're working on right now. Authority of the chief's office. So he's just going to talk to you a little bit here. Just listen to what he's got to say, and we'll go from there, okay?
Okay. All right, Paul. At first, I'm just going to read you your rights, okay? Before you ask any questions, it is my duty as a police officer to advise you of your rights and warn of the consequences of waiving these rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not make a statement or written to anyone. Any statement that you make will be used as evidence against you in a court of law or your trial. You have the right to have a lawyer present to advise you in a court of law or your trial. You may have your own lawyer present, or if you're unable to employ a lawyer, the court will appoint a lawyer free of charge and not at the time you want. If you decide to talk to anyone, you can stop talking to them anytime you want. The above rights or continued rights may be urged by any stage of proceedings. Paul, do you understand his rights as I've read them to you?
Yes.
Okay, Paul, would you be willing to submit this field sobriety test?
When confronted, Fensick denied driving, but police told him they had video evidence. He eventually agreed to take field sobriety tests.
A field sobriety test?
Yes, sir, a standardized field sobriety test. Would you be willing to submit to it?
I wasn't driving.
Evidently you have been driving, I guess. So that's where this is.
I was in the parking lot.
Yeah. Yeah. I guess there's video of you driving. So. Right. It is what it is. So basically, this is the question that he's posing to you right now. So it's up to you. You know, I mean, you see where this is going right now. So it's just your decision to make.
You bring me to jail?
I don't know at this point right now. He just got here. So this is all just starting like right now. So what? I don't know. He doesn't know right now.
I just need to see. I just need to evaluate you.
Fairly quickly, it seemed, and moved to another state. So.
Well, if I refuse, I go to jail.
I don't know. We'll find out.
It's just an awful situation.
Donna, do we think he's
Hey, dude.
this family?
Yeah, you wonder if that comes from his background as
There's a whole team. People don't realize it.
It doesn't seem that there's any connection between these parties, but
Nobody wants to be here, Paul. I promise you that. But we do have to make a decision on what you want to do.
Well, I can't refuse.
It's your choice. You
If I refuse, I go to jail.
You couldn't refuse the P test. At this point, what you do is all up to you. But right now, this isn't administrative stuff. So this is all you. This is all you.
To be honest with you, at this point, Paul, your supervisor and out of the equation. It's really Officer Allison. And again, like you said, nobody wants to be here, but here we are. So moving forward, it has nothing to do with them. It's you either want to participate with the field sobriety test or you don't. But it's not a supervisory issue at this point.
No. No, I've already got ratted out. Rats.
Are we going to do this, Paul? Or
Yeah, I guess we'll do it. I mean, what am I going to do?
That's your decision.
Yeah. Got no choice. So,
You can come in here.
Go follow your sergeant.
all right.
The video shows him struggling to walk a straight line, losing balance during a one-leg stand, and fumbling through the alphabet and numbers.
All right, Paul. Want to stand right there? Feet together, arms by your side. Just maintain that position until I tell you to begin, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any head conditions, anything like that? Epilepsy, diabetes, anything I need me made aware of?
No.
No? You don't have anything like that? You've never been told you have anything going on?
No.
Okay. All I need you to do, sir, is keep your head still. I need you to focus on the tip of this pen, okay? Using your eyes and your eyes only. Okay, same thing. Eyes and eyes only. Don't use your head. I'm going to go up with it, okay? All right, Paul, go ahead and relax. When I tell you to begin, sir, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps straight along that imaginary line. As you're walking along that line, you're going to look down at your feet, count your steps out loud, looking down at your feet. Once you start, you can't stop, okay? I'm going to demonstrate 3 steps. You're going to do 9, and then I'll simulate the turn and steps back, okay? Once I tell you to begin, what you're going to do, you're going to walk along that imaginary line just like so. 1, 2, 3. This is your simulated 9th step. Once you get to your 9th step, you can take a series of small turns and steps in a safe and controlled manner to create a turn. 9 heel-to-toe steps back. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so whenever you're ready, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 back.
As I instructed, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, Paul. So, this is going to be the one leg stand. At this point, I need you to put your feet together, arms by your side, just like this. Okay? And then, when I tell you to begin, or I need you to maintain that position until I tell you to begin. Do you understand, Paul? Okay. When I tell you to, you're going to raise whichever foot you desire, your whole leg. Left or right, does not matter, it's your choice. And no, when I tell you to begin, Paul, hold on.
I'll see which one we'll do.
When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise whichever foot, left or right, does not matter, approximately 6 inches off the ground. That foot's going to be parallel to the ground. Your legs are going to be straight, arms by your side, looking down at your toe and counting out loud just like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. Whenever you're ready, Paul, begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020.
Okay, go ahead and stop. All right, Paul. Next thing I'm asking you to do, feet together, arms by your side.
Like this?
Yes, sir, just like that. Okay, what I'm going to do is 2 circles close to your face. Okay, come to a brief pause and come towards your nose. Okay, I'm not going to touch you, sir. I just need you to focus on it, just like the horizontal gaze nystagmus exam. Okay. You ready? Yeah. Okay. One more time. Make sure you're keeping your head still, sir. Okay.
After failing multiple tests, Fenchik was handcuffed and arrested on suspicion of DWI. His blood alcohol level later tested at nearly twice the legal limit.
Another exam. What I need you to do with your feet together, arms by your side like I instructed. Go ahead and get in that position for me. Feet together. You're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes when I tell you to begin. No, when I tell you to, Paul. Okay. Just keep looking at me so you know what it looks like. When I tell you to begin, you'll tilt your head back and close your eyes. My eyes are early open because I'm demonstrating. And you're going to, once you believe the passage of 30 seconds has elapsed, look back at me, say stop, indicate to me that you're done the passage of 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, whenever you're ready, tilt your head back, close your eyes.
30.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was 30 seconds? Mm-hmm. How did you count exactly? Did you just count by numbers? Did you, like Mississippi's, anything like that?
Just regular numbers.
Just 1, 2, just like that? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Paul. With your feet together, can you point down to the ground like this? Okay. Rotate your wrists outward like this. Okay, and I need you to stay in that position until I tell you to begin. Do you understand, Paul? Okay. When I tell you to begin, you're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes, and I'm going to call out either left or right. Can you raise your left hand for me? Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Okay, go ahead and relax, Paul.
The 27-year veteran has since been relieved of duty, and the department says termination proceedings are underway.
Okay, Paul. What's your highest level of education you've done?
Some college.
Some college? Okay. So you know the alphabet, you know the numbers, everything like that?
Yes.
Okay. Could you, without counting or without saying the song, the alphabet song, could you say the alphabet from C to P?
Backwards?
No, just C to P.
C to P?
Yes, sir. C and the alphabet to P.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Okay. And could you count backwards from 54 to 41?
54, 53, 52, 51, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, Paul. I'm gonna have to do the uncomfortable thing, right? Just turn around.